Hello and good morning or good evening, depending on where you are. My name is Andres here with MovingLake, and I just wanted to showcase our newest connector, which is our Cloudbeds connector. Just a bit of a walkthrough here, and then showcasing what you can get with this connector. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, you can go to app.movinglake.com, and then if you don't have a user, you can sign up for one. It's completely free, but anyways, once you are ready to go, you can just create a new connector, search for Cloudbeds. Let's call these Cloudbeds 2 sheets. Awesome. So now it tells us enter the credentials. So this time we just click on the Get External Credentials button. Uh, you have to sign into your Cloudbeds account, and then you give it permission. As you can see, it's a all of them are read-only permissions, so we won't be changing anything within your account. And amazing, you have successfully installed Moving Lakes app. Okay, perfect. So now we can go back here, click validate, credentials validate. Amazing. So just click next. And now we can choose our destination. So for this demo, we'll be using Google Sheets, and we'll be creating a new one. So let's hit on create new one, select Google Sheets. And now there's two things we need to do. The first one is to share it with Moving Lake. So to do that, the instructions, you can get them at our documentation. So if you go to MovingLake/docs, you can get all the documentation here. And then if you go to destinations, go to Google Sheets. And then you just need to follow these instructions here. So the first one is go to your desired sheet and add the following email as editor. So that's what we're going to be doing here. So it's the email here. Make sure it's editor, send, share anyways. And awesome, that's all we needed to do to give access to Moving Lake. Oh well, now we just need to tell it where it is. So just paste the URL here. Destination name Cloudbeds, YouTube sheet. Awesome. This one you can leave empty, clean up before write. That will wipe out all of your Google Sheets each time it writes. So let's not use that one. For this, you can set like when do you want to get the data from. I'll just choose March 1st of this year. And here you can see all the data that we'll be sending through. I'm just gonna use the defaults for now. And then just hit create connector. So it's creating that connector here. And boom, there it is. Cloudbeds to Sheets. That's our connector. And so it says creation started. We'll have to give it a few minutes before it actually starts sending data to our Google Sheets here. I'm just going to move this over. Yeah, I wish I could tell you a joke here. But anyways, it takes up to like 10 minutes to get started. And once it's started, it's just a matter, like then it's to real time. Like if you get a reservation, and because Cloudbeds has a thing called webhooks, and as soon as the reservation lands on your Cloudbeds account, it gets sent directly to Moving Lake, and you can see it on your Google Sheets. So while now it says running. So now the status changed to running. That means it's extracting data. So how it works is that it extracts data and then it sends it to another place where it writes it to the destination. So we're just waiting here for that to happen. Yeah, this is a live demo, so exciting times, folks. Still not there, almost there. I have 40 seconds left in this video. So my objective here is that we'll get some data before the end of this video. I did say 10 minutes. That's a worst case scenario. So it's completely possible that we will see data before the video ends. Not quite there yet. Just give it a few more seconds here. If not, I'll just have to cut and then show you in a bit once the data is there. Hey, so we're back, and you can see it's 20 minutes later. Now we have all of the data. I didn't, so it actually took like 15 minutes and then 5 minutes to finish like syncing everything. But now you can see all the data here: user data, housekeeping data, property data, hotel data, email data, reservations data, payment methods, items, and so on. And all of this data is automatically synced. And if you change something, then we synced it as fast as you configured it to. But we also support what they call webhooks. And so any new reservation will instantaneously be propagated to the Google Sheets. And so that's it for the demo. Um, Thank you for watching, and please reach out. Please reach out if you have any questions. We're always open to listening to any questions and helping you out however we can, be it with data connectors or even like post, let's say, load data engineering and data analytics. So please let us know. Thanks again for your time.